And this one also has parentheses. So I'm going to start out by taking care of these parentheses. I'm going to multiply each term inside the parentheses by 3. So that's 3x minus 9. 3 times 3, so minus 9, plus 1 is greater than, I have to do the same thing over here on the right. 4 times x gives me 4x. 4 times 6 is 24, so plus 24 minus x. Before I go any farther, I combine like terms, which will give me 3x, and I have negative 9 plus 1, so that's negative 8. On the right side, I can combine 4x and negative x. So 4x minus x gives me 3x plus 24. So just by getting rid of the parentheses and combining terms, simplifying terms, I'm able to get a much easier inequality to work with. The next thing I'm going to do is subtract 3x from both sides. So subtract 3x from both sides. Okay. And that will give me 3x minus 8 minus 3x. To the right side, I do the same thing, 3x plus 24 minus 3x. Now, when I look at this, my variables disappear. They disappear. 3x minus 3x. X is gone. I'm left with negative 8. And on the right side, 3x minus 3x, again, the variables disappear. That gives me negative 8 is greater than 24. Well, negative 8 is never greater than 24. This is not true. If I end up with an inequality that is never true like this, my solution is the empty set. So it's the empty set. Again, most of the time you get a typical solution set which gives some restrictions on the value for x or whatever variable you're working with. But sometimes you end up with an inequality that is never true and gives you the empty set, or an inequality that is always true that tells you that this inequality is true, the solution set is all real numbers. So today we worked with some more complicated inequalities that required us to take multiple steps, including using the distributive property, using addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division techniques. See you soon on Educator.com.